Yeah?
Yeah. She'll have to go through and then we'll have to make our way back up or something. I kind of thought so. It's on premises and it's all a college campus, so... No pets. You can't even bring your pet through here.
Just see how they listen, right?
Maybe.
They listen. They must be good people.
They can follow red light, green light. You can enter. Let me stop up here. Is there someone that I know you don't know? I'm just.
Hey.
Hey, how are you?
Whoa, ice cream.
Alright, that's this building here.
Okay.
What you're going to do is at the yield sign, make a right, follow around, and leave the up front to the park.
Awesome, thank you.
You guys enjoy.
Oh, that was easy.
This is what I want right here. Adventure. With my wife.
That was fun.
I don't want to. You and your mom having it.
Oh.
Right here?
It says exit only.
Okay, so there's here.
Yeah, I think we go up and around. Cool for Evie to get to go to a college, you know?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
How do we get on here to get ice cream?
Visitors entrance. Ice cream.
Oh, cars. Oh my word.